Right over the water tower, over the oil towers.
It's in there. One of the we may not can see it on the ground.
I can see it in my.
But there's vortices dancing in there underneath it, I'm sure.
Brian.
I got it right.
You can see.
This is a wide angle shot.
People who
Yeah, it is. I can see it on the camera better than I can with my eyes.
right, I mean.
Yeah, it is. It's not moving due east like they think it is.
It's still on the ground.
Oh, I know it is. I can see it on the camera.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna have to get south that road. I think it is.
It's up on south of the road. I don't know. I think that's it.
Right there.
It's wrapping up. Can do it again.
Right there. The tornado is south of the road.
Yeah, it is.
It's south. It's left of that building.
I think we need to get south, guys.
It is not moving due east.
Look at the edge of it.
Yeah.
Look at the edge of it. You
Yeah.
can see a horizontal vortex. At least it's out in the field right now.
Yeah.
There's nothing out here for it to hit, but that's going to change as it moves.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow.
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 Look at the sidewind.
Oh, wow.
Man.
Look at that.
That's
That is
multiple
a
vortex.
pitch in there. I think your whole circulation is just barely off the road, but the thing's just spinning around in here. Man, I got my ISO way up. I think